Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by locking your device to 1080p or 4K and selecting 60 FPS when motion is important. This preserves detail and makes color grading easier later. Mount the phone on a tripod or gimbal so frames stay steady, prevents shaky artifacts that lower perceived quality. Once done, switch to vertical 9/16 framing and leave extra headroom and lead room. That gives you flexibility to crop and stabilize in post without losing resolution. Now focus on audio and lighting because they make HD look professional. Plug in an external mic and aim meters between -12 and -6 dB so you avoid clipping while keeping dynamic range. Light your subject with a softbox or diffuser and make the background slightly darker to create depth. This improves perceived sharpness. Make several takes, lock manual exposure and white balance, and avoid auto adjustments. Consistent lighting and audio mean your footage will survive color correction and stabilization. Finish by editing in a vertical timeline. Stabilize and crop sparingly so you preserve resolution, and apply gentle sharpening and noise reduction only where needed. Export using H.264 or H.265 at the full recorded resolution with a high bitrate, around 8 Mbps for 1080p and 2030 Mbps for 4K to avoid banding. When uploading, keep the clip under 60 seconds. Set a vertical thumbnail and add a clear title and tags. If quality drops, check bitrate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.